Hi and welcome to this Excel tips video. Today let's learn how to calculate age in Excel based on the known date of birth. And to accomplish this task, we shall use a combination of the DATEDIF and the today function. But important before we actually get into our calculations is to make sure that the dates are formatted in a proper date format. Because if they are not, then your formulas will not work properly. So let us start calculating our age. I will come over into our results cell and start typing equals DATEDIF, open brackets, select the date of birth, comma, open the today function, open brackets, close brackets once again, put a comma, and because we want Excel to give us age in years, we shall open quotes, type letter Y on your keyboard for years, close quotes, close parentheses, hit enter key on your keyboard. Then you can drag this formula to the rest of the cells. And that's all you have to do. But in case you wanted to calculate the difference between two known dates, then watch my next video that is showing on your screen, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.